Hi everyone, today I'll be running through the basics of Microsoft Excel, in particular the different formulas that can be found in Microsoft Excel. And over here we have some data, let's say about a bookstore, and this is all the different products that the bookstore has, and this is the price for each individual products and the units sold. And let's say the bookstore wants to find out some basic calculations. And okay, the good thing about Microsoft Excel is that they have a built-in formula, and this will make it really convenient to calculate certain things such as sums, the maximum, minimum price, etc. And to begin, um, this under the price category, we can see that all these are just in numbers. And to sort of change this, all we have to do is highlight, right-click, and go to Format Cells. Over here under Number, you can see all the different categories that specific number can be denoted in. And because it is a price, obviously it's going to be a currency. So let's click on Currency. And if you go to Symbol, you can select the different symbols that you want your price to be denoted in. And let's say, because this bookstore is in England, let's denote it in pounds. You can also select the different decimal places that you want the figure to be in, but we'll just stick with 2 decimal places. And once you've selected all of this, click OK. And as you can see, the number has now all been denoted into a different currency. Over here, we have all the different units sold as previously mentioned, and all this information will be used to calculate all these sections. So to start off, let's say you want to calculate the sum of the total units sold. To do so, there's 2 ways to do this. First of all, you can go to Formulas, and you can either click Auto Sum, or you can also put the equal sign and write sum. Click this and highlight all the cells that you want the sum to be calculated of. And once you've got all the cells, click enter, and this should give you the sums of all the product that is sold. And now you want to find, maybe in the bookstore, what is the most expensive price. And to do so, there's also 2 ways of doing this. First, in AutoSum, you can see that there's a drop down button, and when you click this, you can see max. And so you can either click max, or another way to do this is if you click the equal sign and write max, and once again highlight the relevant cells, and this will be under price, so highlight this and click enter, and you can see £30 is the highest price point that is that a product is being sold at this particular bookstore. Now we want to find the cheapest price, so once again you can either use the drop down button in the auto sum icon, or you can also do the equal sign, write min, and once again just highlight the relevant cells and click enter, and you can see £3 is the cheapest product in the bookstore. And now we want to find the average price. So once again, it's quite consistent, so you can either go over here and click average, or another way is the equal sign, write a average, and just drag the average price point. And you can see this is all automatically calculated.